that one there, Ragu Zulu Rebel. That is London Ting. Make sure you go and check him out. He is a veteran out here. He is pushing, he is helping, he is doing workshops. Yo, big up yourself, man. He actually sent in some new tracks, and this one here, fam, I'm actually feeling, I'm not gonna lie, you get me? You went in on this one still. Big up Ragu Zulu Rebel. This one is Invincible. Say what?
Invincible, invincible, can't test me, they got no principle. That's why I invincible, 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 invincible. Young prince, don't expect this king to fall. My fingerprints on this mic, I rinse them all. No mother call ambulance, no doctor. No weapon for me against, I will ever prosper. Enough of them are fish, while some of them are lobster. Look how when they try fight.